Hello. Have you ever tried to make the children write something and find out that they are unable to hold the pencil properly? That's because of the lack of fine motor skills, and that's what we are going to discuss today. Before phonics, reading and writing, we need to develop the children physically and intellectually by developing their fine motor and large motor skills as well as eye and hand coordination. Today, let us discuss about fine motor skills. So, what are the fine motor skills? These are the movements that involve the coordination of small muscles in the hand, fingers with the eye. Strong fine motor skills are essential for a child to complete tasks such as holding a pencil, writing, etc. Playing is the most joyful experience for a child, and through playing only, we can make children develop their fine motor skills. This method is called playway method. First of all, we need to develop the muscles in palm and fingers, and for this we'll use molding dough as an activity. Rolling the dough in between the palms and the fingers develop them to understand the pressure required to hold and move an object. Rolling the dough on bench develops their palm and fingers to balance an object on a circular motion. Pressing the dough against the bench requires a lot of strength, which develops their overall hand muscles. Rolling the dough to and fro on the bench develops their hand muscles move freely. Now, as their finger muscles are developing, let us make them learn how to use these muscles. For this, we'll use building blocks. Lifting and placing the building blocks requires precision, which makes their muscles active all the time. This will also make their mind think of different series of shapes and ways to place them. Now, their finger muscles are developing to lift and place an object. Let us develop their eye and hand coordination. For this, I am giving beads and stick activity. Placing the beads into the stick requires the hand muscle movement as well as eye and hand coordination, which will make them develop their knowledge on height, distance and feasibility. Now, as they have initiated some of the fine motor skills, let us make them utilize all these skills at once. For this, I am giving them threading beads activity. Threading beads involves a lot of patience and coordination of both the hands. By holding the bead in one hand and inserting the lace through the bead by another hand with the coordination of eye. After practicing these activities for a few times, we can observe the child holding the pencil with a better grip and also shivering less while writing. Within no time, the child should be able to draw a straight line properly. have given the links for all these activities in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Just start making your child do all these activities. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. So, this is all for today's video. I am Madhumati. Welcome to Vyakhyan.